and Friends.
Lulu and the Magic Puddle. One sunny morning, Lulu Lambkin was hopping through the meadow when she saw a big, shiny puddle near the old oak tree. "Wow, look at that, Benny!" she called to her friend, Benny Bunny. Benny hopped over and looked into the puddle. "It's so shiny! It looks like a little mirror," he said, wiggling his nose. Lulu stepped closer and suddenly, splash! The puddle shimmered and changed colors. "Whoa! Did you see that?" Lulu gasped. The water sparkled with swirls of pink, blue, and gold. Just then, Tico Bluebird fluttered down. "That's no ordinary puddle. It's a magic puddle," he chirped. Excited, Lulu gently touched the water with her hoof, and poof! A tiny rainbow popped out of the puddle and swirled around them. Benny laughed as the colors danced through the air like little ribbons of light. Lulu giggled. "Let's jump in together," she said. The friends hopped and splashed, and each time they did, the puddle made magical shapes, stars, hearts, and even little sparkly butterflies. After a while, the colors began to fade back to normal. The magic was gently disappearing. Lulu smiled and whispered, "Thank you, Magic Puddle." That was the best playtime ever. As they walked away, a tiny sparkle twinkled on the water, as if the magic puddle was saying goodbye. Lulu, Benny, and Tico laughed and skipped home, knowing they had just had the most magical day ever. The end. Words learned today: hopping, meadow, puddle, swirled, stepped, wriggling, chirped, touched, laughed, danced, jumped, giggled, whispered, winkling, softly, smiled, splashed, fade, walked.
Lulu and Friends.